Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Julie of Julie's Plans. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of July 26th through August 1st in my Plum Paper hourly planner. Welcome back, friends, and welcome to another plan with me. I'm super excited for the kit that I'm going to be using this week. It is Planner Kate's Kit 334. It is very bright and summery and all of the fun things, and as you can see, it's getting a little bit brighter in here. I'm trying to control things with some lighting. As much as I don't like using studio lighting, it's just a little bit more consistent. So let's take a look at this current week, or the week that just passed, and that's how this one ended up looking. I love this kit so much. It is just so pretty. I normally don't do a whole lot of pastels and a lot of florals, although this week is kind of going to be the same thing, just a little bit of a different color scheme, but I really like the way that it ended up turning out. So that's how that went. Not a whole lot changed from when I actually filmed the plan with me to now. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and jump in and get started. This weekend has been kind of like a fun blur in a way. We did a lot more than we had originally planned, but we didn't get to the whole kayaking thing like I might have mentioned last week, but that might happen this week. We need to call the place that we plan on going through. They have a few options. You can do super beginner style type, and they're just really just taking you out on the water, or you can get a slightly more advanced where they will actually turn you over and you have to, you get capsized and they teach you how to get out of that situation. I'm not ready for that, so we're gonna do the first one. Hopefully we can get in this coming weekend. We will see. Okay, so Saturday is actually the 31st. I almost dated that wrong. And Sunday is the 1st. August just got here super fast, and that 31 sticker is very, very crooked. Man, I feel like from May onward, everything just kind of went by a lot faster. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Not totally sure. All right, let's get these day covers on. So this week is actually Planner Kate's shop anniversary, which is really, really cool. I'll go ahead and throw in the graphic right here for you guys so you can see what is going on this week. I believe you get 7 extra samplers. It's her shop's 7-year anniversary. So normally she gives 5, she's gonna do 7, and then you get an exclusive sampler for her anniversary, which is just, it's crazy that shops are now 7 years old, right? Our community has been around for a minute, at least the creative planning community. I love the green in this kit. It is so, so pretty. This is a kit that honestly you could also get for the St. Patrick's time frame, just because of the beautiful, beautiful Kelly green vibes that it has going on here. All right, next up we're going to do the sidebar, and I think I've kind of learned my lesson from last week. And let me kind of turn the brightness down a smidge so you can actually see the lines on the paper. That's one thing that I've noticed. You've got to be very careful with how bright you let things get, because then you can't really see the paper or see the lines on the paper. I've had people ask me, oh, does that planner have lines? And I realized because in the video they couldn't actually see the lines. All right, just gonna grab my washi cutter and cut off the excess here. I feel like as I have figured out how to work with stickers in the Plum Paper planner, I'm less intimidated by the fact that sometimes the stickers are not going to come up quite as easy. I just take my time, so that things don't get all kinds of torn up. But I'm loving being in this planner. I really, really like it. It just feels more natural to me, which I absolutely love. All right, so the sampler itself comes with this really cute quote on it, and I'm kind of if the calendar matches the week, so that's okay with me, but I have to cover up this little bar right here because that is not gonna work for me. So we're just gonna put the quote there. And then let's see, I didn't get any checklists or anything like that, and that's okay. But I do want to do like the this week sticker, and I'm thinking honestly of doing this event label here. And I'll let the little blue bar show because it matches the kit, and then just put a this week sticker right there. All right, and obviously we cannot forget about the washi across the top. Yes, I almost forgot. Let's put that back down. But this is actually a vacation week for me. I'm super, super excited because I will be going back into the office next week, and I'm also excited about that. I lost my washi cutter. So this week is going to be all about a little bit of relaxation and kind of hitting the reset button on some things around the house, just making sure that we're all prepared for all of those things. And then I also, one of the other focuses will be meal planning and just preparing for that, because I know that when I have a good solid meal plan in place, it just makes the week go a little bit more smooth. So I've been getting this add-on specifically because I prefer the font of the Hello Weekend. You guys were funny in the comments last week and you said it looked like it says Halloween. It kind of does from far away. I'm not gonna lie, it does look like it says Halloween, but it does say Hello Weekend. I love these weekend stickers. Very, very cute. All right, there's that. And what's funny is I put down a sticky note here and I have no idea what that is for. It's kind of got me a little bit nervous. I'm like, I'm gonna forget something and I don't even know what it is. All right. So the pen that I'm going to be using is the same one I used last week, which is the Uniball Uni Pen Fine Line Marker. I have been loving this thing. It works great on the Plum paper as well as a variety of stickers. So I don't really know that I'm going to mark vacation week, so we're just going to take that off. Let's start with the usual, the videos, my favorite. So we're gonna start with this Plan With Me, and then Wednesday will be a goals video, and I'll go over how I'm using my new Moxie Life companion notebook for goals, and just what my goals have looked like for July and what they will look like going into August with all the things going on. And then Friday will be a daily Plan With Me. I was initially going to do a August Plan With Me, but what I have ordered for my monthly kits for this planner, I ordered from Chrissy Ann Designs, and I need to check. I'm not even sure that they have shipped just yet, so that might not actually go up until next week, and that's gonna be okay. It won't be the first time I've put a monthly Plan With Me like well into the month already happening, but it is what it is. This week we actually don't have a lot going on at all, and it was kind of intentional because knowing that it was my vacation week, I kind of don't want to do anything, and our pool days might actually be Tuesday and Thursday because why not, right? All right. So let's use, I've got a couple half boxes, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and use the blue and the yellow for each of those. Now Tuesday I will go with Nathan because he is off from work, so we're going to go together on that day. And that probably means like no one will be at the pool because it's a Tuesday morning. And then I'm going to go again on Thursday, and that'll just be by myself. And honestly, that sounds absolutely amazing. All right, on Monday afternoon though, I'm probably going to film the goals video. Actually, this week I may spend some time filming a little bit more just so that I can get a little bit ahead if I can, at least for the upcoming week. So let me grab my little film stickers. I love these things from Planner Kate. They are just so freaking awesome. I am going to use, oh, I might have lost it. There we go. So I'm just gonna grab a couple of those for right now because I definitely want to get a little bit of a head start. And let's just use this box right here, and this is where I'm going to film my goals. And then I have like a laundry list of ideas for videos to film as far as like what's in my work bag, kind of things like that. So if you're interested in those, like let me know and I will I will get those done. All right, and then of course I need to do the same thing on Wednesday afternoon, but it might actually happen Thursday because we do have this pest control company coming out on Wednesday, but they came by last week and they're like having some sort of special offer, and I was like, why not? There'll actually be someone home, so it kind of makes sense, and they're going to do the inside and the whole yard, and it's weird as like a homeowner, those are just the weird things that you get excited about, you know? All right, so I've got that down for filming, and then of course I want to get down the pest control appointment, and I think they're going to call the day before and give us an exact time, but I think I'm just going to put it close to the afternoon and it will be fine. And I'll just leave the time empty there, and then I can fill it in afterwards because we all know that it's going to change. All right, next up, I know that I want to put my lines in for my meal planning section. I want to make sure I get this put down before I try to put down any of these decorative boxes and then end up putting them in a spot where I don't actually where I would actually want these lines. So let's get this put down first, and I think that this sampler has the dots that I like using, so that is awesome. I didn't even have my undo close by today. Like, I can tell that that's how confident I've been getting with the stickers in this planner. It's been kind of awesome because at first I was like, I'm not sure that I want to use this planner if this is how difficult it's going to be, and like it just took a couple of weeks and I got used to it, which is awesome. All right, just gonna put those there. I wish some of the dots were green, but these are fine. Not a big deal. All right, and then let's see, I don't want to forget that Friday night is going to be our movie night. I don't know if I have any of the smaller boxes. That's the only issue. I probably should have moved up the time because now the movie night is like in a really weird spot, but I guess I could just put it here. It's really not that big of a deal. So this weekend I finished watching Virgin River. I don't know if you guys are watching that, but oh my God, it is such a good show. I guess there's only 3 seasons of it, which for me, I was like, okay, that's shocking. I wish that there were more, but it's cute. It's just a really cute show on Netflix. I'm looking for my movie night sticker. That's what I'm doing over here. And it's like a Lifetime movie that's in a series, in my opinion. It's super cute. It's got some drama, obviously, in it. And if you watched it, you will understand my absolute why I'm so annoyed with Charmaine. She's like the worst TV show character ever. I don't really know a single person that likes her, except I have heard people explain to me that her role in the books is much, much smaller, which is why she's more tolerable in the books. But her role is definitely not small in the series, and it's super irritating. But anyway, so not sure what we're going to watch for our movie night there. All right, let's get some other things down, like some groceries and laundry and all of that fun stuff. Oh, so we do have a payday with the 1st, which is probably going to actually be on Saturday or even Friday, just depending on how the banks want to do things. Always interesting when the 1st is on a weekend, especially on a Sunday. But I'll go ahead and put it on Friday because that's probably what's going to happen. And then I want to get my pre-planning done Saturday night. And then I'm definitely going to need to focus on getting prepped for the week on Sunday. So Sunday will be groceries, of course. Part of me is like, that should probably happen on Saturday so that I'm not doing everything on Sunday, but it'll be okay. Probably going to go back to ordering groceries, like grocery pickup, with the way things are going with this variant and just COVID in general. Coffee, it looks horrible, but trust me, it's yummy. So yeah, it's something that I was thinking about today when I went in to go get the groceries. I was like, you know, sounds like a good idea to just go back to doing grocery pickup. All right, and then the other thing that I want to put down is clean the house. And I think I might just use, I feel like I would never use these appointment labels otherwise, so I'm just gonna put them right here. And then of course I will need a small spot to film, and I'm gonna need another one of my film stickers here, and I always go past the page that I need. And honestly, I'm starting to consider just filming on Saturdays so that I can give myself a little less to do on Sunday, because everything is happening on Sunday, as you can see. And then I think I might use this box. It's like bigger than an appointment label, but I kind of want to put like my weekly prep here because that's what I will need. Definitely add in to my Sunday evening situation. Actually, I'm going to put it a little bit lower. I keep forgetting that I can actually put stickers below that line. And since the planner time will fit, ooh, will it come up without, ooh, look at that. No planner pages were harmed. It did leave a little bit of residue behind. Not a fan of that, but it didn't tear up my paper, and that's what matters the most. Okay, I like that a lot better. I almost want to move that down again, that down as well, but let's let's take it easy and not rip up my planner. All right, let's put some of these full boxes down because they are gorgeous. I instantly knew I wanted this one to go here. Honestly, there are weeks where I'm like, I love when they're not in a straight row. Sometimes that bugs me a lot. And I think I'm cutting it close with some of these spaces on here. Like, I did not plan that at all. All right, let's do the yellow maybe. And then it looks like there's no room on Friday, which is fine. But let's do the lemons. No, let's do the lemons. Oh, I had to think. On Saturday, I love this green. I can't just not do the green. And I think I'm going to put it a little bit lower right there. Love how these look. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love that so much. Okay. I don't really think I have anything to put on the sidebar just yet, but I do want to add in when I will need to edit, which will now be, I can probably edit Monday evening, or I can just wait and do it Tuesday evening, so I might do that there. I mean, I could just go ahead and do it all on Monday, but why put all the tasks in one day? At the same time, sometimes though, that's like not a good thing because I am like doing way too much like right before a video should go up, if that makes sense. And it's not always the best way to do it. But, you know, you learn. If I feel like doing it on Monday, I'll do it on Monday. That's how we'll just play it by ear. And then the same thing for Thursday. Grab another computer. I love these also. They're like the little mini ones from Planner Kate. I figured I'd stick with just all Planner Kate since it's her anniversary week. We'll edit here. I have edit stickers, but I figure why not just write and save those for the weeks when I do not feel like writing a single thing in my planner. All right. I think that might actually be it. I love the way that this turned out. These colors are just, because I feel like we're on like the verge of summer being like completely over as people start to get ready to go back to school. I don't even know when like school starts here because that's not part of our schedule right now. But yeah, I feel like this was perfect. I needed to use this before summer just like disappeared, and I can't think of like a more perfect week to use it on. So that is it for this week's Plan With Me. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you're already subscribed, make sure that you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. I do post videos every single week. Once again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.